Hello, OG! I'm Hazel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Laurel, Batangas. Welcome to Studio Hill House. Tara, pasok tayo. Years ago, they used to live here sa Tagaytay, sa may Royal Estate. Then, they decided na Tagaytay pa rin yung second home nila. I'm Hazel Hemadi, 37 years old, property manager po ng Studio Hill House. Time na na-discover ng owner itong place, it instantly resonates sa kanila. Na-amaze sila, na-fell in love sila sa lugar, sa beauty, and especially sa Taal Lake View.
When we acquired this one, kasi 15 years ago, I lived here din in Tagaytay. But syempre, doon it's a subdivision. Maganda din naman because there's terrain, tapos may up and down, ganyan. But you don't get this view. Back then, this was just raw land eh. Puro halaman lang. Ganyan.
Yung naging inspiration nila, yung sa dati nilang properties, more on glass elements and lightweight structure. Yung vibe and design, gusto nila yung simple lang. Tapos, open space, nakikita yung labas, para yung natural light pumapasok. Lot size po is 800 square meter and floor area 400 square meter. The property has a garage for 2 cars. And there's also additional parking outside for bigger groups. Once you enter the house, andito yung entertainment area. Billiard, pwede kayong maglaro ng friends nyo, and meron din pong bar area dito, where you can hang out with your friends. Ito po yung common toilet and bath po namin. Here is the living area, where you can enjoy the full view of Taal Lake. Ito naman po yung dining area that can cater up to 10 to 12 persons. At syempre, meron ding view ng Taal Lake. This is our fully equipped kitchen. All you have to do is dalhin yung gusto nyong lutuin and enjoy cooking. Ito po yung stairs papunta sa bedroom. Tara! Ito naman po yung master bedroom. It's a queen-size bed and meron din pong sariling toilet and bath and bathtub. Ito naman po yung access papunta sa balcony with Taal Lake view. In our second bedroom, we have 2 double-size bed that can accommodate up to 4 persons. Meron din pong sariling toilet and bath. In bedroom 3, meron pong 2 double-size bed and 1 queen-size bed which can accommodate up to 8 persons. Since spacious siya, pwedeng mag-add ng extra mattress. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath and balcony. Syempre, ang pinaka-main highlight talaga dito is yung Taal Lake view, yung beauty niya. Pero during rainy days, kapag nagfa-fog, ma-experience mo yung cool breeze ng Tagaytay. Tapos, kapag yung fog kumapal, pumapasok yung fog dito sa loob. Kaya yung experience mo, unique and memorable.
My favorite area, of course, is the living room. Like what my property manager said, nandyan yung mga kadalasan gatherings ng family and friends. And whenever we stay here, dyan nagaganap lahat. Dito sa dining area, dyan sa living room. natawanan, nakwentuhan. And there are times when I'm alone, I visit this place, I work din sa living area. So, pag medyo down na ako, pagod na ako, I just look outside.
Yung isa sa mga naging challenges while kinoconstruct tong property up until now is kasi nasa high peak area siya eh. Water supply. Meron namang nagrarasyon dito. We have trusted contacts para may magrasyon kapag nawawalan kami ng water supply dito. Yun yung pinaka-challenge niya.
The fulfillment is being able to say na even if this is a very hard place to build, kasi nga sinundan namin yung parang flow ng bundok, as compared to like constructing sa patag, that's faster and cheaper. This one kasi a lot of cut and fill, tapos susundan mo yung flow ng bundok, may make sure mo na yung safety, syempre that's number one. So, being able to get or acquire the place, it makes you feel na lahat ng hard work, possible pala. Mahirap lang siya, pero pagka gusto mo, tapos ngayon na kami na yung property owner, the pride is there. The fulfillment, malaki talaga siyang accomplishment. It's really very personal, no? One, the location meant a lot. Two, it has been my safe place. Now, when I want to hide from the reality, it's like a pocket na nasa cliff ng bundok. And it's just me. It just gets me yung parang feeling na when I'm here, I'm safe. And you're one with the nature. I get to be reminded na ano ba talaga yung meaning of existence? Ano ba talaga yung meaning ng precious time, quality time, special moments, wonderful memories? Yeah.
Siguro, ang pinaka-advice ko, kailangan mag-take ka ng action sa mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Lalo na yung goal, kailangan mag-move forward ka and at the same time, yung dream mo, gawin mong reality.
Dreaming is easy. Lahat tayo meron yan. Lahat tayo kayang mangarap. Lahat tayo gustong mangarap. What sets us apart is anong action yung gagawin mo and how are you gonna materialize it. Like sinasabi nga ni Ms. Hazel, it's always the first step. Yun yung pinaka nakakatakot at saka yun din yung determining point. Doon mo rin malalaman kung eto ba talaga yung gusto mo. And I believe yung tao, no, pwede mo lang masabi kung ano talaga yung gusto mo pag naharap mo na lahat ng challenges, tapos you work around it, nasolusyonan mo siya, and no matter how hard it is, hindi mo siya sinusukuan. That's the time you get to say, eto talaga yung gusto ko. "15 years ago, I made a promise to a best friend of mine who already passed away. So, syempre, we owe it sa mga buhay na lang to make that dreams come true. So, sabi ko, dati kasi nagvi-visit lang kami sa Tagaytay and we get to say, magkakaroon tayo ng bahay. But this was just a dream back then. And then, nung I was able to stay sa Tagaytay Royal Estate, we still had that dream when my best friend was still alive. Sabi ko, magkakaroon tayo niyan. Ganon din yung sinabi niya. But, he passed away. So, sabi ko, it's also a tribute to my best friend and also his family and to yung father niya, who is also my mentor.
Want to share your house and get featured? Email us at stories.onlygood@gmail.com and tell us about your interesting home story. For more videos like this, subscribe to OG and be part of the community.